Welcome back, drone enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered how to protect your valuable drone investment? Whether you're a professional aerial photographer or real estate agent capturing stunning property images, or simply a passionate hobbyist, having the right insurance for your drone is essential. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to get insurance for your drone in the United States. So, let's dive right in. You're capturing breathtaking aerial footage when suddenly, disaster strikes. Your drone crashes into a bystander, causing injuries and property damage. Who would be liable for the medical expenses and the damages? Well, that's where drone insurance comes into play. It's like a safety net, protecting you and your business from potential risks. So, let's explore the world of drone insurance together. Step 1. Understanding drone insurance. First things first, let's demystify what drone insurance is all about. Drone insurance, also known as Unmanned Aircraft System (UAS) insurance, combines liability insurance and property insurance. It's like a two-in-one coverage package. Liability insurance protects you from third-party bodily injury or property damage, while property insurance covers your drone and its accessories. Step 2. Who needs drone insurance? Now, let's identify who might need to consider drone insurance. If you use a drone commercially, whether you're a real estate photographer, an aerial videographer, or even part of a fire and rescue team, it's crucial to have drone insurance. Other professionals like engineers, construction firms, and emergency response teams also fall into this category. Even hobbyists who want that extra peace of mind can benefit from having drone insurance. Step 3. Is commercial drone insurance required by law? You might be wondering if drone insurance is mandatory. Well, in most of the United States, it's not a legal requirement, except for the state of Minnesota. If you operate in Minnesota, you'll need insurance coverage and a licensing fee. However, even if it's not mandated by law in your state, having the right coverage can safeguard your business and give you peace of mind. Step 4. Homeowners insurance and drones. Before we delve into the types of drone insurance, let's address homeowners insurance. If you're a recreational drone user, your homeowners insurance might provide some coverage for personal use. However, it's important to note that commercial use is typically not covered. If your drone causes bodily injury or property damage while you're operating it for business purposes, homeowners insurance may not step in. So, it's advisable to consider specialized drone insurance for commercial use. Step 5. The different types of drone insurance. First up, we have liability coverage. This includes drone liability insurance, which covers costs related to third-party injuries or property damage caused by your drone. It's like having a safety net in case something goes wrong during a shoot. Another type of liability coverage is non-owned drone liability. If you lease, rent, or borrow a drone, this coverage can protect you from physical damage to the UAV itself. It's always better to be safe than sorry, right? Next, we have personal injury liability coverage. This one's interesting. It protects you from advertising injury claims, such as libel, slander, or copyright infringement. It's like an extra layer of protection for your business's reputation. And then, we have aviation product liability insurance. This coverage is crucial if you're a drone operator, as it protects you from liability in case of injury or damage caused by a defective or faulty drone product. It's like having a safety net against unforeseen manufacturing issues. Lastly, we have ground equipment coverage. Imagine if your controller or laptop used to operate the drone from the ground gets accidentally damaged or stolen. With ground equipment coverage, you can rest assured knowing that the cost of repair or replacement will be taken care of. Step 6. Finding the right insurance. Now that you're familiar with the different types of drone insurance, it's time to find the right coverage for your needs. Keep in mind that not every insurance company offers drone insurance, so it's important to do your research and find a provider that specializes in this type of coverage. Look for insurance companies that offer liability policies, hull coverage, and other necessary protections specifically tailored for drone operators. When choosing a provider, make sure they require proof of necessary training and a UAV license. This is important for both your safety and theirs. Additionally, ensure that you purchase insurance coverage through an admitted insurance carrier, which means they've been approved by the state's insurance department. Step 7. Cost of drone insurance. Now, let's talk about the cost of drone insurance. The price can vary depending on several factors. The type of drone you own, its cost, the coverage options you select, whether it's for commercial or recreational use, and even customer-specific requirements can all affect the overall cost. On average, you can expect to pay around $350 to $700 per year for $1 million of coverage. However, some insurance companies also offer drone coverage by the day, which can be a cost-effective option for occasional drone users. Keep in mind that these numbers are just estimates, and it's best to get quotes from different insurance providers to find the best deal for your specific needs. Congratulations! You've now become well-versed in the world of drone insurance. Remember, whether you're a professional drone operator or an enthusiastic hobbyist, having the right insurance coverage is vital to protect yourself, your business, and your valuable equipment. By understanding the different types of drone insurance, recognizing who needs it, and finding the right provider, you can fly with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for any unforeseen incidents that may occur during your aerial adventures. So, go ahead and explore the skies, capture stunning footage, and soar to new heights, all while having the peace of mind that comes with comprehensive drone insurance. Stay safe, fly responsibly, and until next time, happy droning!